do, Jed. Remember when we helped Major Ivor Lake from Cup of Tea when he needed help building a stone path across his duck pond?
Aye, Seth.
We knew we needed 32 stones to make path, and that there are 4 stones in every pack, but we didn't know how many packs we needed.
Right.
Using algebra, I were able to find the value of the y. When you're doing algebra, you have to get rid of the numbers on one side so that only the letter remains. So to do this, I had to do opposite to times by 4, which would divide by 4. And 'cause I did it on one side, I had to do it on t'other. So y times 4 divided by 4 equals y, and 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So there you have it, y equals 8. Jed then went for gear, didn't you, Jed?
Aye.
It were a reet good job, Jed.
Aye, right good.